Now, just recently we discovered that this vehicle needs a brand new battery. And before I run out and spend close to $250, I want to verify that the alternator is working correctly. Now, most of you know that the alternator has two functions. Not only does it charge the vehicle's battery, but it also provides electricity, so you can turn on the rear defroster, you can turn on the heater, the seat warmers, the vehicle's lights, the radio. All of this is possible because of the alternator. So let's remove the battery charger, and I should have enough juice just to get the car going. Negative terminal, positive. Yeah, all right. Now there's no need to start ripping things apart in order to check the alternator. I'll be using the My Carly app. Now this app I have shown so many times over the last few months. Just a few days ago, we placed the rear brakes in service mode. Okay. And that's required to replace the rear brake pads. I used it to diagnose a faulty fuel sensor. I used it to diagnose why the vehicle was going into limp mode. So this thing has been absolutely wonderful. So what we're going to do is obtain live data. Now, if this is new to you, it's incredibly easy. You plug in the scan tool into the OBD port, and then the app talks to that code reader by Bluetooth. So now you have everything on your phone, or in this case, very easily on an iPad. And you can code the vehicle, you can run engine codes. I have shown all of this before in the past, and I'll include a link below if you want to check that out. But in this case, we're running live data. I need to obtain the voltage from the alternator. So this is really, really easy and cool. So let's jump over to Vehicle Systems, scroll down to Electrical System, and we have an option here, Control Module Voltage. So this will read the voltage generating from the alternator. This is a target range 12.9 to 14.4, and let's start monitoring. So right now we're at 14.2 volts. That is very, very good. So now we're going to turn on a few things within the cabin here and keep an eye on the voltage. So let's turn on a few things. Certainly the rear defroster, that is a big one. Okay, that's all right. The heater, another very big power source. Okay, 13.9, that's still okay. Again, here's our target range. If you see anything below 12, you're in deep trouble, okay? Let's turn on the headlights. We can turn on the seat warmers. Everything looks to be in terrific, terrific shape here. So that is terrific to see. Now I know for 100% certainty that the alternator is working correctly, and I 100% need a battery. So now I can run to the parts store, install it, and this vehicle will be happy once again. If you guys would like to see further information on the My Carly app, I'll include a link in the description box below. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.